Blockchain is a revolutionary technology that allows for secure and transparent transactions. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized and distributed ledger that records and verifies transactions. Each transaction is stored in a block and linked to the previous block, creating a chain of information. Because of its decentralized nature, blockchain eliminates the need for intermediaries such as banks or governments. This makes transactions faster, more efficient, and less prone to errors or fraud. Blockchain has the potential to disrupt multiple industries, including finance, healthcare, supply chain management, and more. In the financial industry, blockchain can streamline payment processes, improve transparency, and reduce costs. In healthcare, it can enhance data security, improve patient privacy, and enable interoperability between different systems. Supply chain management can benefit from blockchain by increasing transparency and traceability of goods, reducing counterfeiting and fraud. Blockchain can also revolutionize voting systems by providing secure and tamper-proof records of votes. With blockchain, individuals can have control over their own data, allowing for a more decentralized and democratic approach. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful for your financial journey. Don't forget to like and feel free to comment down below.